Hello students, you are studying exercise 13.1 of surface area and volume. Question number 1. Two cubes each have volume 64 centimeter cube. Two cubes each have volume 64 centimeter cubes are very simple. Two cubes whose volume is 64 centimeter cube each are adding and forming the cuboid. What is given? Join end to end and find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. You are getting 64. It has a 64. Suppose its side is A. So A cube is given 64. So A is equal to cube root of 64. What will you get? 4 centimeter. That is the question number 1. 4 centimeter. And it is joined end by end. Means it will be A, it will be A, it will be A. You are getting length is equal to 2a, breadth is equal to a, height is equal to a. It is a cuboid. Resultant of joining this is a cuboid. That is a. So what is 4 to the 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. A and 2. So what are you getting? Find the surface area. Surface area means surface area of cuboid is 2lb plus bh plus lh. What will you get? L, B and H you will put here and get your answer. Question number 2. A vessel in the form of a hollow hemisphere. A vessel in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere means it is like this. Then what is given? Hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Mounted by a hollow cylinder. There is a one mounted by a this. Mounted by a hollow cylinder means hemisphere is down and cylinder is up. The diameter of the hemispherical portion is 14 centimeter. It is 14 centimeter. The total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. What is the radius? Radius will be 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Then what is the height of the cylindrical portion? Height of the cylindrical portion is total height minus height of the, which is radius. It is a radius. Radius is the height of hemisphere. So 6 centimeter. It is very important part that you keep in your mind. Find the interior surface area of the vessel. Interior means it is open. This portion is open, this portion hollow is what? So CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the hemisphere. Inner surface area is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. Both have same radius because surmounted by. So CSA is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. What is common? 2 pi r common. What will you write? H plus r. You get your answer. Pi is 22 by 7, r is given 7 and h is given 2 pi r h, small h or capital H, only one h is here. Total height is another thing, only one h you are getting here, capital H. 6 you will write, don't write 13. Put the value and you get the result. Question number 3. Question number 3 of this exercise. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter and mounted on, surmounted and mounted. Surmounted means it is the upper and it is the lower. Mounted on which? On means mounted on a cone. Mounted on a hemisphere, not cone. Mounted on a hemisphere. It means the hemisphere is a down and cone is a top, like this. Not like a top. You are getting. Surmounted by a cone you can see, or you can say it is a mounted, cone is mounted on a hemisphere. Cone is mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Same radius means overlapping. Total height of is 15.5. Total height is given 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the part. Radius 3.5. Both are mounted means both the radius are same. Find the total surface area of the toy. So what will you rate? You want to get this L. Very important. What is R? R is equal to 3.5 by 2. But what is given 3.5 with the radius is given 3.5. No, I have written wrong. It is 3.5. Radius is directly given 3.5. So height of the cone is 15.5 minus r. This will be the h. 15.5 minus 3.5, 12 centimeter. So slant height is equal to h square plus r square. Put the value 12 square plus 3.5 square. You will get the slant height. Slant height. Then surface area of toy. CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere, because both are overlapping. So pi r l plus 2 pi r square. Pi r common. L plus 2r. Now you put the values and you get your result. Don't put the value in the beginning. Now you will put the values and get your result. Question number 4. Question number 4 of this, what is given? A cubical block of 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. Surmounted by a hemisphere. Cubical. That in the example you have seen. This is a cubical box. Surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter? Surmounted by means whose this. Surmounted by is this. It means their diameter like this. It is a means surmounted means diameter of hemisphere is equal to side of cube. Then surmounted hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter? Greatest diameter. If it is equal, then the diameter, greatest diameter is the side. Greatest diameter will be side, otherwise smaller also. But because you want to totally greatest diameter, then what will you get? It is a there. So what will you get? Surmounted. If diameter is the not more than its side. Greatest diameter is side. First thing, greatest diameter is side. Okay. It means radius will be side by 2. Find the surface area of the solid. Find the surface area of the solid. Find the surface area of the solid. So A is the side. Side is A. So surface area is equal to TSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus base area. Base of hemisphere. So TSA is 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. Put the value 6a square plus pi r square. Here what is the r? What is the r here given? A by 2. So 6a square plus pi a square by 4. You take the LCM 4, 24a square plus pi a square. A by 2 is the radius. So a square is common. 24 plus pi by 4. It is what? It is the total surface area. Total surface area of the total surface area of TSA of the solid. Surface area TSA of the solid is this. You can write 24 plus pi. It is a question number 4. Question number 5 is given a hemispherical depression. Question number 5. A hemispherical depression like a bird bath. A hemispherical depression is cut out from a cubical wooden block. Same thing. Same thing is here. Cubical wooden block. Cubical wooden block is this. It is a cubical wooden block. Cube. So on this you are getting, what are you getting here? So one depression is cut inside there is, it is open, depression is cut like a bucket, wooden block, and the diameter is L. Wooden block of such that the diameter L of the hemisphere equal to the edge of the cube. Same question. What is the L? It is a diameter. Diameter is given to L and side is given to also L. So side A is equal to L, which is the diameter. So radius is L by 2. It is given. Your question is here, what is the, determine the surface area of the remaining fluid. It is cut out. Cut out means it is open, like same question. It is upside or it is downside. So surface area, left surface area is equal to PSA. PSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus base. Why base? Because base is open and other part is like this, like bowl is there. So this portion is open but this portion is there inside. Inside this area you are getting. So 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. Same, both are the same question. 6a square plus pi r square. Put the value 6l square plus pi l square. L square is common, 6 plus pi. You are getting, what is the r? No, r square. Here r is 1 minute wait. What is the r? L by 2. R is given L by 2, 6l square plus pi l square by 4. So again 4, 24 L square plus pi L square. L square by 4 is common, 24 plus pi is your answer. So same question, same thing, only the term is changed. What are you getting the term? Term is given in the form of L. 1 by 4 L square. Question number 4, 7th. Question number 4 is here. What is given? Question number 4, side is given. In the question number 4, there is given 7 centimeter is the cuboid of side 7 centimeter. Question number 4, A is given 7. It is given 7. So here you put the 7 and you get the result. In question number 4, side of the cube is given 7, but here side of the cube is given L. Both are the same, but your answer will be 7. What will be the diameter? Diameter is 7 centimeter, that is radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Here you put question number 4 and question number 5 you solve in the term of L. That's all for today, and the next lecture I will tell you the rest 4 questions of this exercise. Thanks.